Today we are moving to the next unit, that is unit 4, integration. So why this topic comes? What is the necessity of this topic? The first question arises: we have a function. If we differentiate this, we get its derivative, right? If any function, if it is differentiated, we will get its derivative, right? Suppose if derivative is given, how to get the function? We should go in the reverse direction, correct? If I know derivative, I should find out its function. Then what to do? I have to go through a certain process. So that process is what? Reverse process of differentiation. So that reverse process of differentiation will be called as integration. So the integration comes into the existence because of to get the derivative of a function. And one more point, it plays an important role in getting the area of a curve area bound by the curve. Suppose, for example, this is the curve obtained for a function. This is the curve obtained for a function. So under this curve, till the x-axis, what will be the area formed? So this type of area can be calculated only through the integration. So this plays a very important role in finding area bound by the curve or bound between the two curves. That is an importance of integration. Okay. According to these things, we can say integration is reverse process of differentiation. It is reverse process of differentiation. It is the reverse process of differentiation, or it is also called anti-derivative. Anti-derivative. From any function, you will get the derivative. From any derivative, you will get the function only by the process called integration, right? So integration is a process of getting the function of a derivative. Next point, if differentiation of f of x, let us take some function. I will take f of function, I will differentiate it with respect to x. Say I will get h of x. Differentiation of f of x is h of x. Therefore, integration of h of x is equal to f of x. Integration of h of x is equal to f of x. Why? Because differentiation of f of x is h of x. Hence, it is reverse process. No, integration is reverse process. Hence, integration of h of x will be called as f of x. Here, we use this symbol for integration. This is the symbol used for integration. Therefore, we can write it as integration of h of x, integration of h of x with respect to the variable, integral variable dx is equal to h of x. Integration of h of x is equal to f of x. This is known as the process of integration. Say, I know dy dx of log x is what? 1 by x. Therefore, integration of 1 by x with respect to variable dx is integration of 1 by x is what? It is the log x. It is the log x. Like that, if you know the derivative of any function, with that we can get its function, right? In integration, there are two types. There are two types of integration. One is indefinite integration. Second one is definite integration. Indefinite integration. Second one is definite integration. Why this separation? See, if I take a function, sin x, or I will take this one, 1 by x. Integration of 1 by x is what? It is called log x plus c. We write always plus c by default. Why plus c? Because this is said to be constant of integration. This is called what? Constant of integration. The answer always be in c in case of definite integral. This value of c we don't know at this stage. Okay, we always take after writing its derivative, we will put plus c. That c indicates what? Constant of integration whose value is unknown at this stage. It can take any numerical value, and that is also taken as the required one. Suppose in a function, if it is 3 is there, then c becomes 3. In a function 5 is there, c will be taken as 5. Like that, the c value, it is varies according to the function. I will tell you clearly how the c is useful, why we have to take this c, right? This is called as indefinite because of c. C is indefinite. Its value we cannot say exactly for a given function. Therefore, it is said to be what? Indefinite integration. Indefinite integration, that c will not be arises. Okay, you will always get numerical value, some constant. That is called as definite integral. Suppose if I write d by dx of f of x is equal to g of x, then integration of g of x with respect to variable is equal to f of x plus c. This is symbolic representation of integration. This is symbol used for integration. This g of x will be called as integrand. It is called as integrand. Dx will be integral variable, integrable variable, and this is c called constant of integration. Constant of integration. This whole thing, f of x plus c will be called as integral. Integral of integrand. Integral of integrand. Right? Next, very important, list of standard integrals. List of standard integrals. List of standard integrals. Number 1, integration of x to the power of n is equal to integration of x to the power of n, that is x to the power of n into dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. If I take this x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. And if I differentiate it, definitely I will get x to the power of n. So n may be any positive value or negative value, or it may be a fraction also. Right? I will give you example here. Integration of x dx. What is power of x? 1. Correct? Only for x, the power is what? 1. So answer become what? X to the power of 1 plus 1. What is n? 1. 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. That is 2 divided by 2 plus c. Integration of x square dx is equal to x to the power of n is what? N is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 3 plus c. This is first standard form. Second one, integral of 1 by x to the power of n dx. 1 by x to the power of n dx. It is equal to minus 1 divided by n minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 1 plus c. Integration of 1 by x to the power of n. Here also n may be a positive number or negative number or fraction, right? See the example. Integration of 1 by x square is equal to what? Minus 1 divided by n minus 1. N minus 1 is what? 2 minus 1 is 1 into x to the power of 1 plus c. If it is 3, what is the answer? Minus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2 into x to the power of 2. Okay. Third one, integration of a power x dx. That is a power x divided by log a. What is differentiation of a power x? It is a power x into log a, right? Here it is a power x divided by log a. See the example. Integration of 3 power x is equal to 3 power x divided by log 3. If it is 5 to the power of x, what is the answer? 5 to the power of x divided by log 5. Integration of 1 by root x dx. What is d by dx of root x? D by dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Therefore, integration of 1 by 2 root x is equal to root x. Otherwise, if 2 is removed from here, it goes to numerator of other side, correct? That is equal to 2 root x plus c. Integration of 1 by x. 1 by x is log x plus c. Sixth one, integration of e power x dx, that is equal to e power x plus c. Seventh one, integration of sin x dx, it is minus cos x. It is minus cos x. Integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x plus c. Integration of cos x dx, it is equal to minus sin x plus c. Integration of tan x dx. See, if I take d by dx of log of secant x, what you will get? Differentiation of log secant x. Log function, it is 1 by function into d by dx of what? Function. So it is 1 by secant x into differentiation of secant x is secant x into tan x. So if I cancel secant x, what is remaining? Tan x. So differentiation of log secant x is equal to tan x. Hence, integration of tan x is equal to log secant x. Integration of tan x is equal to log of secant x plus c. Integration of cot x, similar to the tan, it is log of sin x. It is log of sin x, right? 11. Integration of secant x dx is equal to log of secant x plus tan x plus c. Integration of cosecant x dx is always equal to minus log of cosecant x plus cot x plus c. Integration of secant square x. Secant square x is derivative of what? If I differentiate tan x, you will get secant square x. Therefore, integration of secant square x is equal to tan x. Next, integration of cosecant square x. It is minus cot x plus c. Integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square. It is derivative of what? It is the derivative of sin inverse x, correct? Therefore, 1 by root of 1 minus x square integration is sin inverse x plus c, or you can also take it as minus cos inverse x plus c. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. You will get tan inverse x plus c, or it is minus cot inverse x plus c. Integration of 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. Integration of 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 is equal to secant inverse x plus c, or minus cosecant inverse x plus c. So integration of 1 with respect to x is equal to x plus c. Differentiation of x is what? So differentiation of x is 1. Therefore, integration of 1 is with respect to x is what? X. These are the list of standard integrals. We can also write for hyperbolic functions. Integration of sin hx dx is equal to cos hx plus c. Integration of secant h square x dx, that is tan hx plus c. Like that, we can write for other hyperbolic functions, right? So these are all the list of standard integrals. Okay, so using all these things, we can go for rules of integration. Rules of integration. Rules of integration. You have to remember all these integrals, list of standard integrals. Okay, so without knowing this, we cannot go for integration. The first rule, integration of any constant. K is any constant. So if I take k is outside the integration, we don't have written integral of any constant here. Therefore, what is constant? You just take it outside the integral symbol. If I take k outside, what is remaining? 1 into dx or only dx. 1 into k is k. Then k into, what is integration of 1 with respect to x? It is equal to x plus c, right? Therefore, I will write it as x plus c. Integration of k is any constant, is equal to k into the corresponding variable. If it is dx, I should write x. If it is d theta, I should write theta. If it is dt, I should write t. Okay, see the examples. Very important. See the example. Integral of 5 dx. So we are integrating 5 with respect to which variable? X. Therefore, I need to write what? 5x plus c. Integration of 3 dx. 3 into x plus c. Integration of 7 into d theta. What is variable here? Variable of integration is what? Theta. Hence, it is what? 7 into theta plus c. Don't write 0. So, in differentiation, differentiation of any constant is 0, correct? In integration, we have to carry that constant and we should write the corresponding variable. Okay. See, 1 by 3 dx. What is answer? 1 by 3 into x plus c. Otherwise, you can write x by 3 plus c. 7 by 2 d theta. What is answer? 7 by 2 into theta plus c. Minus 4 dt. Minus 4 dt. So, minus 4. We are integrating this with respect to what? T. Hence, it will become what? T plus c. Integration of 1 by 2 t, that is equal to 1 by 2 into t plus c. A into dt. What is A? A is constant. You are integrating with respect to what? T. Therefore, I should write at plus c. A square dx. What you will get? A square is constant. Keep it constant as it is. Integral variable is what? X plus c. This is known as first rule. Integration of any constant is equal to that constant into the corresponding variable. Right? This is known as first rule. The second rule, it is similar to differentiation only. We have a function of x and constant. Then we should keep the constant as it is and function is to be integrated. Second rule, integration of constant into function. K into f of x dx, right? What is k? K is constant. K is constant. F of x is function of x. Function of x means x terms. X term or terms, right? Then we have to keep the constant as it is. Function has to be integrated. This is the answer. For only constant, we have to keep the constant as it is and we have to write the variable. If the constant into function is given, keep the constant as it is, integrate the function. Right? Examples are important to understand the rules. 5 sin x. Keep 5 as it is. What is integration of sin x? Integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x. Minus cos x. Write in bracket. Otherwise, you can write directly minus 5 cos x plus c. Integration of 3 e power x dx. You can take any list of standard derivatives. Any constant into the list of standard derivatives. 3 into integration of e power x is what? E power x plus c. Integration of 7 divided by x dx. What it is? 7 into 1 by x. Correct? So answer is 7 into for 1 by x. It is log x plus c. Integration of 1 by x is what? Integration of 1 by x is equal to log x. Fourth one, integration of 10 root x. It is very important. Root x. We have integration of 1 by root x. We have integration of 1 by root x. We don't have integration for root x directly. Then how to do it? We have to change this root x into x to the power of n form. Right? How it is? That is 10 into integration of root x means what? As a power of 2. X to the power of 1 by 2. Then integrate 10 into x to the power of plus 1. N plus 1 divided by n plus 1. What is n? N is 1 by 2 plus 1. Right? So this is equal to 10 into x to the power of, take LCM. What is LCM? 2. Here is 1. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Here also 2 LCM, 1 plus 2. That is 10 into x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. This 2 goes to numerator. It become what? 10 into 2. 20 x to the power of 3 by 2 all divided by 3 plus c. You can also further write in terms of root x. It is 20 x cube. What is remaining? 1 by 2. So power 1 by 2 can be taken as what? Root. I can put root of x cube divided by 3 plus c. Okay. Integration of 3 by 1 plus x square dx. Keep 3 as it is. What is remaining? 1 divided by 1 plus x square. What is integral of 1 by 1 plus x square? 1 by 1 plus x square integration is what? Tan inverse x. That is tan inverse x plus c. So like that we can have the second rule. Constant into function. Keep the constant as it is and integrate the function. Okay. You got the difference between first rule and second rule. In first rule we keep the constant. In second rule also we keep the constant. In the first rule, after keeping the constant, we will write the corresponding variable, right? Here, after keeping the constant, we have to integrate the given function, right? Apart from this, there is another rule, that is sum or difference rule. If two or more functions are either in the form of sum or in the form of difference, then it is carried out similar to the differentiation. In differentiation, we do individually differentiation. Here also, we have to integrate individually or difference difference rule. Integration of f of x, one function, plus or minus g of x, another function, plus or minus h of x, another function, like that. For all the variable, integral variable is what? Dx, right? Here we have to integrate individually. Integrate f of x with respect to x. Write the symbol plus or minus integral of g of x dx plus or minus integral of h of x dx plus or minus and so on. So this is known as sum or difference rule. Let us take the examples. Integration of tan x minus a power x plus 1 by root x minus a power x into dx. They will put you the dot and it will be written dx. They may not be put bracket. So it is understood that the dx is for every terms. Okay. You need not write like this. You can directly integrate it. Okay. So after taking this form, what to do? We have to integrate it now. That's why you can directly integrate. Integration of tan x. What is integration of tan x? It is log of secant x. Log of secant x. If you see the list of integrals oftenly, it will come to your mind. Okay. You go through many times. Just see it. Read it. Definitely it will come to your mind. Integration of tan x is what? It is log of secant x. Is it right? Minus, search for a power x. Integration of a power x is what? A power x is a power x divided by log a. A power x divided by log a. Plus, you search for 1 by root x. 1 by root x, whose integral is 2 root x. That is equal to 2 root x minus for e power x. For e power x is equal to what? For e power x, it is e power x only, right? Is it written? E power x. Sixth one. Integration of e power x is equal to e power x plus c. These are the sum rule, right? Second one, integration of 5 cos x minus 3 by root x plus 4 cosecant x into dx. So here there are three terms. Each term is what? Each term is, say, constant into function, constant into function, constant into function. Second rule we have to apply for individual term. Keep 5 as it is. Integration of cos x, that is equal to what? Integration of cos x is plus sin x. Cos x, integration of cos x is equal to the plus sin x, because differentiation of sin x is cos x, integration of cos x is only sin x, right? Minus, keep 3 as it is, 1 by root x. For 1 by root x it is what? 2 root x. 2 root x plus 4 into integration of cosecant x is what? Integration of cosecant x is equal to minus log of cosecant x plus cot x. It is minus of log of cosecant x plus cot x plus c. That is equal to 5 into sin x minus 3 to the 6 root x plus into minus minus 4 into log of cosecant x plus cot x plus c. Right? Let us take few more examples. Integration of 5x cube minus 3 by x plus 4 by x square plus 10 into dx. 5x cube minus 3 by x plus 4 by x square plus 10 into dx. Observe it. It is sum or difference of the four terms. If I want to integrate it, I have to integrate individual term. Integration of 5x cube. Keep 5 as it is. Integration of x cube is what? 3x square. Minus 3 into integration of 1 by x. It is log x. Plus keep 4 as it is. Integration of 1 by x square. For 1 by x square, it is used what? 1 by x to the power of n minus 1 by n minus 1. 2 is n minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 1. It becomes what? Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into x to the power of 2 minus 1. For constant into variable plus c, that is 15x square minus 3 log x minus 4 plus into minus 4 by 2 minus 1 is what? 1 into x to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 4x plus c. This is known as what? Sum or difference rule. We don't have product rule and quotient rule. So if they are in quotient form, we have to simplify it. If they are in product form, we have to simplify and we have to integrate it. Right? This is known as rules of integration. Right? Based on these rules of integration, let us take some problems. Now I will confirm you why C is taken. Okay, because we know the integrals of standard function. If I take d by dx of x square minus 5x plus 2 is what? For x square it is 2x, for 5x it is 5 into 1, for 2 it is 0. What is differentiation of x square minus 5x plus 2? It is 2x minus 5 only. Correct? Differentiation of x square minus 5x plus 2 is what? It is 2x minus 5 plus 0. It is 2x minus 5. If I want to integrate this integration of 2x minus 5 into dx, I should get what? The function. What is function? X square minus 5x plus 2. Correct? You just integrate it. Keep 2 constant. What is integration of x? It is x to the power of 1. 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Minus, for any constant, we have to write constant into the variable, right? Plus c. That is 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 to get cancelled. It is equal to x square minus 5x plus 3. If I don't write c, x square minus 5x will be the integral of this. Check the given function. What is the function? For differentiation, I took this function x square minus 5x plus 2. See, have you got plus 2? No. That's why we have to write plus c. It is called as indefinite integral. Indefinite integral. To get required constant for a given function, I should take plus c. That is constant of integration. So this c may be 2 for this function. For some other function, it may be 10, it may be a. It is a required constant. Got it? Why it is said to be indefinite integral? Okay. Integrate the following. Integrate the following with respect to x. Number 1, integration of 3 sin x minus 2 x cube plus 4 by x minus 3 into dx. By observing this, it is of what? Sum or difference rule. Correct? So such problems you have worked out previously. Keep 3 as it is. Integration of sin x is minus cos x minus 2 into integration of x cube is what? X to the power of 4 by 4 x to the power of n power plus 4 into integration of 1 by x. Leaving 4, what is remaining? 1 by x. It is for log x. For constant into function plus c. 2 1 the 2 2 the, that is equal to minus 3 cos x minus x to the power of 4 by 2 plus 4 log x minus 3x plus c. Integration of x square into x plus 3 dx. See, the given problem is having two factors, they are in product. How to integrate this? We don't have product rule, I said earlier. Just remove the bracket. For product of two or more terms, you should remove the bracket by multiplying it. It is what? X square into x cube plus x square into 3. It is 3x square into dx. Now this is integrable. Correct? Integration of x cube is what? X to the power of 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 3 into integration of x square. X to the power of n is what? N plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. C is what? Constant. Right? That is x to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus 2 plus 1 is what? 3. 3 get cancelled. It is what? X cube plus 3. Sometimes the problem integrand is of a plus or minus b whole square form. If it is the case, we have to expand it first and then we have to integrate, or it may be in the form of a plus or minus b whole cube form. That has to be expanded first and then it is integrated. Okay, let us take such problem. integration of 3x minus 2 into 1 minus x square into dx. How many factors are there? Two factors. Product of two algebraic factors. Then it has to be multiplied to remove the bracket. 3x into 1 minus x square minus 2 into 1 minus x square into dx. Right? 3x into 1, 3x minus 3x into x square, it is 3x cube, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 into x square, 2x square, 2x square into dx. So we have multiplied, right? Then you write it in the increasing order of x power. First write cube term, minus 3x cube, then plus 2x square, then plus 3x minus 2 into dx. You write it in order, then integrate. Otherwise, as it is, you may integrate it. No problem. That is minus 3 into integration of x cube is what? X to the power of 4 by 4. It is of x to the power of n form. N x to the power of n plus 1. That is 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. Plus 2 into for x square, it is x cube by 3 plus 3. For x, it is what? X to the power of 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 2. Minus for constant, it is 2x. Right? Integration of x minus 5 x plus 4 into dx whole divided by x. See, it is in quotient form, correct? In the numerator, there are two brackets. First, we have to remove them. Remove it. X into first term of first bracket into second bracket x plus 4 minus 5 into x plus 4 whole divided by what? Whole divided by x into dx. That is equal to x into x is what? X square plus into plus 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 into plus plus x into 4 4x minus 5 into plus minus 5x minus into plus minus 4 5 are 20 all divided by what? X into dx. In the next step, write it in order. X square is there, x square plus 4x minus 5x is what? Minus 1x minus 1x minus 20 all divided by x into dx. That is equal to x square by x. Each numerator term should be divided with the denominator. What is denominator? X. Individually divide the numerator terms with x. X square by x minus x divided by x minus 20 by x into dx. Now integrate. After cancelling it, integrate. Here is what? X is remaining. For x, integration is what? X square by 2 minus. So x is x cancelled. What is remaining? 1. For 1 it is what? 1 into x. Minus 20 into. What is remaining? After leaving 20, it is 1 by x. What is integration of 1 by x? It is log x. Right? Plus c. Integration of x square into x plus 3 whole square dx. X square into x plus 3 whole square into dx. So as I mentioned earlier, we have to simplify it according to a plus b, a minus b, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, if it is in that form, right? Keep x square as it is. It is of what form? X plus 3, that is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b into dx. Correct? I've just expanded according to a plus b whole square. Then you multiply with this x square into x square, x to the power of 4, plus into plus x square into 3 square. 3 square is what? 3 square is 9. 9 into x square, plus into plus 3 into 2, 6x. 6x into x square. 6x into x square is 6x cube into dx. Got it? First, it has expanded according to a plus b whole square. Whatever the terms you got, that is multiplied with this x square. Then you write in a increasing order, or you can directly integrate this. Integration of x to the power of 4 is what? X to the power of 4 plus 1. That is 5 divided by 5 plus 9. For x square it is what? X cube by 3 plus 6 into x cube. X to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus c. You can cancel with 2. 2 2s are 2 3s are. 3 1s are 3 3s are. That is x to the power of 5 divided by 5 plus 3 x cube plus 3 x to the power of 4 divided by 2 plus c. So like that, if there is a bracket between the terms, we have to remove it. Then it has to be integrated. X square plus 3 whole cube into dx. It is of what form? It is of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Is it right? Right. According to this, a cube, that is x square whole cube, plus b cube, that is 3 cube, plus 3 into a into b. 3ab into a. What is a? X square. Plus b. What is b? 3 into dx. It is equal to x square whole square is what? X to the power of 3 to the 6 plus 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 plus 3 3s are 9x square. 9x square into x square, 9x to the power of 4. Plus into plus is plus. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 x square into dx. Now you can integrate it. For x to the power of 6, it is what? X to the power of 7 by 7 plus for 27, it is 27 into variable x plus 9. For x to the power of 4, it is x to the power of 5 by 5 plus 27. For x square, it is what? X cube by 3 plus c. Here it cancels, other things are same, right? Integration of x square plus 2 x minus 3 whole divided by x dx. Just multiply it. X square into what? Second bracket x minus 3 plus 2 into x minus 3. Then x square into x is what? X cube minus 3x square plus x into 2. 2x plus into minus minus 2 into 3 is 6 into dx. Divided by what? Divided by x. It is x cube by x, right? Minus 3x square divided by x minus 2x divided by x minus 6 by x into dx. Individually, we have to divide each term of numerator by the denominator. Cancel it. X square. What is remaining? X square minus 3x minus 2 minus 6yx into dx. That is equal to integration of x square is what? X cubed by 3 minus 3 into integration of x is what? X squared by 2 minus for 2x. For 2 it is 2x minus 6 into what is integration of 1 by x? It is log x plus c. Plus c, right? Integration of root x plus 1 by root x whole square. It is of which form? A plus b whole square, right? Expand it. Integration of expand a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into a into b. What is a? Root x. What is b? 1 by root x. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. This root x get cancelled. Square root get cancelled. Here is 1. 1 square is what? 1. Square cancel. What is remaining? Integration of x plus 1 by x plus 2 into dx. That is equal to, for x it is x square divided by 2. For x square, for x it is x square by 2 plus for 1 by x, it is log x. For 2 it is 2x plus c, right? Integration of 8x cube minus 1 divided by x minus dx. So what is problem? The problem is in quotient form. 8x cube minus 1 divided by, let us take 2x minus 1. We need to divide 8x cube minus 1 by 2x minus 1. Otherwise, we cannot integrate it directly. So, make this into simplified form. How we can going to simplify it? See, 8x cube. If I take 8 as 2 cube, 8 as 2 cube. 2 cube is what? 8. 2 into x whole cube. Is it right? 2x whole cube is 2 cube is 8 into x cube. Minus 1 can be taken as 1 to the power of n. N may be any value. You will get 1 only. I need power 3, therefore I am taking 1 power 3 divided by 2x minus 1 into dx. Observe the numerator. What is numerator? It is 2x whole cube minus 1 cube. It is of what form? A cube minus b cube form. Correct? What is it? A minus b into what? A square plus b square plus ab. Is it right? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Right? According to that, that is equal to a 2x minus b 1. Correct? A is this, a cube minus b cube. A is 2x minus b is 1 into a square means 2x square, b square 1 square plus ab 2x into 1 divided by 2x minus 1 into dx. So 2x minus 1 get cancelled. Then we can go for integration, right? 2x whole square is what? 2x whole square is 4x square plus for 1 it is, for 1 square it is 1 plus 2 into x into 1 is 2x dx. Then integrate this. 4 into integration of x square is what? X cube divided by 3 plus for 1 integration of 1 is x plus for 2x it is 2 into x to the power of 2 divided by 2 plus 3. 2 to cancel, answer is 4x cube divided by 3 plus x square plus c. This is what? This is called integration of the algebraic terms. Today I have discussed only the algebraic terms. So I have not touched the trigonometric. Okay. So in the next class I am going to take you the trigonometric terms. Okay. To understand that the trigonometric problems, you need to have a knowledge of trigonometric formula, right? The trigonometric formulas are very important. Please remember these trigonometric formulas. Sin x into cos x, sin x into cosecant x is what? 1. Therefore, sin x can be taken as what? 1 by cosecant x, or cosecant x can be taken as 1 by sin x. If it is 1 by sin x, you can take it as cosecant x. If it is 1 by cosecant x, you can take it as sin x, right? Second one, cos x into secant x is equal to what? 1. From this, we can write cos x is equal to 1 by secant x, or secant x is equal to 1 by cos x. Tan x into cot x is equal to 1, or tan x is equal to 1 by cot x, or cot x is equal to 1 by tan x. Tan x is equal to what? Tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. Cot x is equal to what? Cos x divided by sin x. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to what? It is 1. So based on that, we can take it as sin square x as 1 minus cos square x, or cos square x as 1 minus sin square x. Secant square x minus tan square x. Secant square x minus tan square x is 1. From this, we can write secant square is equal to what? Secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x, or tan square x is equal to what? Tan square x, just take this tan square to this side, it will become plus tan square. Take 1 to this side, it is secant square minus 1. Secant square x minus 1. Next, cosecant square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. From this, we can write it as cosecant square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x. Is it right? Or if I want to take cot square x in terms of cosecant square x, I have taken this to right side, it become plus. 1 is taken to left side, it become minus 1. So cosecant square x minus 1. So these trigonometric identities are very important. You go through these, then only you will be able to understand the trigonometric terms, right? Please take this list of standard integrals, repeatedly you see it. It will be very important. If you are able to recall the list, then only the integration will become easy, right? So with this, I am going to conclude my today's class. If you have any doubt, you can ask the questions.